This is Mrs. Wilkoskis in the library. It is October 26, 2017, and um, in order to utilize our time in class well, we want you to prepare beforehand by doing two things before you come to class. We want you to add the library Sidekick extension to your Chrome browser. An extension is a little piece of software that you add to the browser to give it a different functionality. So the directions are here on our Haiku page. You can follow along if you want. Let's go out to the Chrome store. I'll show you what it's going to do. It's library sidekick. Library sidekicks, two different words, sidekicks, one word. This is what it looks like. This is our little Surpass logo. Surpass is the software that we use to manage the library's collection. We're going to add it to Chrome. We're going to add extension. You can see it pops up. Click on the extension. It's going to ask you want to hook it to your library. At this point, it won't do anything until you tell it which library's collection you want it to search. So it's st period space pi, and you know how it goes, but spx won't cut it. Okay, so you will do a little bit more of this in class, but what you can then do is if you're doing a research paper on Watergate, not only does it search Watergate, it's going to search the Pious resources right here too. And it takes you straight into our catalog, and you can click through. Here's our call number. You can see exactly where it is without actually having to remember how to go out to the library's catalog, but you can actually click right there and it'll take you to the catalog. So we want you to add Sidekick before we have class. And the other thing we want you to do is, and we need you to do it from the school's network. Let me find where this is. There we go. All the way down here under the Pathfinders in writing resources, there's a link out to Noodlebib. We want you to make a Noodlebib account. We need you to make a Noodlebib account over the school's network, because unless you're on the school's network, the first time when you make the account, you have to register. If you don't see this little green bar, this is telling you that you have access to the school's account. We've paid for a subscription that gives you all sorts of functionality that you would not get with a free version of Noodletools or EasyBib. Okay, so the only way to access that functionality is to make an account. Make an account here. Once you've made the account, you can log in from anywhere, and it's going to access the school subscription and your account. So do those two things before we have class.